Brian from Apex Detail here. Stoner's products have been around for quite some time. We have the window cleaner, the trim shine, the tire shine. Shine spray here has also been around for quite some time, but this is a spray and walk away coating that I believe deserves some attention. We're going to do a showcase today. I'll show you how to use it, so let's get started. I don't like to use a ton of aerosol products or products that vaporize coming out of a nozzle. However, engine bay compartments, knobby tires, you can't get your fingers and your hands in all of the spaces to protect and condition them, so the Stoner's Shine Spray works well. The first thing you want to do, obviously, with any surface is to clean it, and this engine compartment in particular is new, so we just need to get a little bit of dust out of there, and we'll use a rinseless or waterless wash would work just as well. The Shine Spray is a fast way to coat and condition. It puts a little bit of a sheen on the plastics and the rubber, but it's not overly glossy like some products available. If it gets on painted surfaces, hard surfaces, just wipe it down with a microfiber. Just hold the can 8 to 10 inches from the surface that you want to spray and apply a thin coating. Cannot be used on, of course, steering wheels, gas pedals, brake pedals, clutch pedals, but just about everything else. Any other hard plastic, trim, or even rubber, yes, can be treated on the interior or exterior of an automobile. You will want to grab your detailing PPE, gloves, and a mask. This product will be airborne, so a mask is necessary. I don't have one here. I was going to do a live voiceover for the video, but decided to do voiceover after editing. So, yeah, I should have had the mask on. We definitely want to get some light on the situation here. These hood lights are perfect. I also use these for the interior. And when you're finished, it's not a greasy, slippery coating. And it really kind of cuts back on the sheen as it cures as well, so it's not overly glossy either. Excellent for faded plastic trim. It quickly coats, protects, and brightens bumpers, exterior trim, dashboards. Great for gearshift boots, the knobby tires, your engine bay compartments, vents, hoses, seats, tops, vinyl tops anyways, plastic and interior and exterior trim of all kinds. This is where I'll recommend the Shine Spray as well, the WeatherTech mats. They are heavily textured and porous. They're a pain in the arse to clean and also protect. So something like this will condition, will hide some of those stains that you just can't remove on the WeatherTech mats. They'll protect them, but more importantly, make it easier for you to clean the next time you really slop up the car, pulling your boots in covered with ice, salt, and mud. This mat here is one piece that was from a set that was pulled and replaced with a new set. Just sits out back now, and it made it look nice and restored and new and clean. Also, the product does a great job on interior parts, plastic trim and rubber. Seals, grommets, weather stripping. And a little bit of off-label use does really well on knobby tires. Also great for any plastic areas in the wheel wells. Just wipe down any overspray that could get on the wheels or the painted surfaces. Let it cure a bit and it will look fantastic. Okay, that will bring us to the final thought segment of the video. The Shine Spray here is a simple spray-on, walk-away formula. Will not run or drip or streak, and that's why I like it. Gets in areas where your hands and your fingers can't. Excellent on knobby tires, shift boots, and also weather stripping. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.